Hello everyone, I'm proud to introduce you to AVMatrix, a leader in professional audiovisual and broadcast solutions, transforming the way the world experiences events, production, and live streams. At AVMatrix, we blend technical innovation with creative expertise to deliver flawless results from live concepts and corporate events to broadcast studios and digital platforms. We specialize in high-performance video processing, live event production, and streaming technologies that empowers creators, broadcasters, and organizations to connect with your audience effortlessly. Every project we take on runs with precision, clarity, and impact because your vision deserves nothing less. Our broadcasting solutions equip TV and radio stations with cutting-edge tools for high-quality production, seamless streaming, and efficient workflows. Planning a major event, our live event production team ensures stunning visuals, smooth execution, and unforgettable experiences from grand concerts to high-profile conferences. Going live, our streaming solutions deliver crystal-clear broadcasts powered by professional cameras, converters, and switchers, helping you reach audiences everywhere and anytime. Whether you're an event organizer, a corporate inventor, or a reseller, AVMatrix is your trusted partner for exceptional AV experiences where technology meets creativity.